Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful. But let completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny BC. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. Tay's single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest.